Hi, everybody. My name is Ashraf Takla. I'm the CEO of Mixel. I would like to start by asking how many of you have heard of MIPI before? Okay. So I guess I'll make sure to concentrate a little bit more on a background information about MIPI to make it more useful to everybody. Okay, so let me just start by saying MIPI is a standard. It's an acronym. Originally, it's an acronym for Mobile Industry Processor Interface. So it's a standard. Actually, it's an alliance of companies. It's not a standard. It's an alliance of companies that together put specification for a lot of different kind of standard that goes into a mobile platform. So that's where the name comes from. Those are the standards that are used for smartphones, tablets, and it is seeing very wide adoption beyond the typical mobile platform. And that's why the acronym does not apply anymore. Mixel is a mixed signal IP company. We have been in business for 15 years. We are celebrating our 15-year anniversary this year. And our concentration has always been mixed signal IP. That's where our name comes from, mixed signal excellence. Sorry. Yeah. So that is the focus there is on physical layers, SerDes technology, PLLs, and related IPs. We have been focused on this kind of platform, the MIPI platform and mobile platform, for the last 7-8 years. We have worked on some predecessor technology before MIPI, and when MIPI came along, we were the first IP provider to silicon prove the earlier PHY, which was the DeFi, and then after that, the MPHY. So we work very hard to make sure that we have the IP silicon proven ahead of time, so our customers, when they go to their product, they have the IPs they need to be able to build the cell phones and the tablets and all the kind of mobile platform that is, of course, changing the world today. We believe we are the leaders in that market. We believe we have a differentiated solution in terms of power and area. And we have developed an ecosystem of the tier one companies that provide the solution needed by our customers to go to production very quickly and with first-time success. So that means companies that produce the equipment that are used for testing, for characterization. It means the IP partners that provide the controllers and the VIP solutions. And by working together, we provide a complete solution that customers can go to production with very quickly. Our differentiation is many different things. One of them is the quality of the IP. This is our expertise, our focus. We have built those kind of IPs over many years, and we have perfected the technology to be able to help differentiate our end customer product. We use a methodology we call Legorithmic, which means that we build our IPs in a Lego-like fashion. So that our customers can, so that we can reuse it in a way that we would be able to provide our customers with a differentiated solution tailored to their configuration, but based on well-proven technology. We also are very proud of our support, and our customers have had a great experience working with Mixel in terms of the support. We have a group inside the US, outside the US, so we are able to provide 24/7 support. That is very technical, provided by the experts that actually design the IPs. The MIPI platform uses a number of different physical layers. The first generation is called DeFi. And this has been around for many years now, so this is very mature technology. And this is actually our second generation DeFi. Our first generation DeFi was silicon proven back in 2007, 2008. Second generation is 2010 that reaches 1.5 gig performance. And this kind of IP provide different, supports all the applications for the MIPI, which is used for displays. DSI is display serial interface, and CSI is camera serial interface. So those are the kind of interfaces that are used inside a typical mobile platform. We also provide a platform that has our silicon and our RTL in an FPGA platform that we make available to our customers so they can use that platform to integrate your RTL and be able to show your own solution and bring up your system very quickly. This is a block diagram of the DeFi, and since not a lot of people have knowledge of the MIPI, I'm going to go over this quickly. Basically, it's two sections. Hard macro and the RTL. This is basically the transceiver, and this is basically the RTL that provides control and status and basically the logic. And then, of course, companion IP would be the PLL that provide the timing for this for the DeFi. The next generation of MIPI is called MFi, and this reaches up to 6 gig currently. This is our first generation MFi. This is our second generation MFi. The first generation supported high-speed gear 1 and 2. Our second generation supports up to high-speed gear 3, which is the 6 gig. This is the board that we have our test silicon, our test chip silicon on. And this is our platform with the board connected to the FPGA that we use to program the RTL, and also our customers are able to integrate their RTL into it. This is the block diagram of the MFi. It's a much more complicated PHY, much optimized for low power. It's a source synchronous system. And again, the partitioning is a hard macro and RTL. The hard macro has a PLL. This is the transmit section with the serializer and the transmitter. This is the receive section with the receiver, the CDR, the clock and data recovery, deserializer. The RTL is pretty complex, many different states to optimize power performance. And that is why that RTL is relatively complex, although not large, but very complex. Of course, we provide a complete solution. All the deliverables that our customers need are there. The different front-end models, the GDS, the RTL, test benches, LEF. We, of course, most importantly, provide excellent support to our customers through production, as they take their product to production, high volume production. So to sum up, the MIPI is, well, the MIPI Alliance has been around for 10 years. So it has been around for a long time, long enough to for the technology to start to take off in a big way. I think we all experience in our daily life the kind of improvement that the MIPI standards bring to the mobile interface. I think a majority of us here today probably have a MIPI built into their smartphone or tablet. The MIPI adoption is accelerating and seeing a lot of adoption beyond the traditional mobile platform. I mean, it's getting into automotive application, for example. Nowadays, a new car has 6 cameras, and as that increases, MIPI is a good solution for this kind of market, and that is where a lot of the growth is coming from. So we have been in that business for a long time. This is our focus. We are very focused on continue to grow with that market. We believe we are the leaders in that market. We have created an ecosystem that enables our customers to have access to first-tier suppliers across the supply chain very quickly and very reliably, so they can go to production, high volume production very quickly. The platform plays an important part in achieving that for our customers. We continue to announce world first achievements, and we continue to work very hard to lead in that market. And we believe for anybody that has any MIPI requirement, that Mixel would be an excellent partner. Thank you.